Hi, good afternoon. Welcome back to maths. Right, we've got a busy day. We've been learning all about doubles yesterday and on Monday. Today we're going to be learning about something a little bit different, but I want to keep practicing our doubles. So we're going to play Fidgety Fingers again. I'm going to show you some groups of objects and I want you to copy what you see with your fidgety fingers. Do you remember the chant? Good. Fidgety, fidgety fingers, go. Right, we're not going to practice this time because I think you've got it. Okay, so I shall take away the cover to the side here, show you the number of things, and I want you to represent it with your fingers, okay, with our chant. Here we go. Fidgety, fidgety fingers, go. Brilliant. What have we got here at the side? Yes, a representation of 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, the Numicon shape. So you've copied it. We've got 4, double 4, 8. Well done, well remembered. Okay, let's try a new one. Okay, are you ready? So I'll reveal the picture, give you a few seconds, then we'll shout our chant. You represent what you see. See if you can copy it. Ready? Steady. Go. Fidgety, fidgety fingers, go! Well done. What do you see? What's the numeral? That's right, it says 3. Are you representing 3 with your fingers? 1, 2, 3. Are you copying it? Are you doubling it? You are, well done. 3 and 3, double 3. 6. Well done. Are you ready? Let's keep going. Here we go. Represent what you see. Match it with your fingers. Here we go. 1, 2, 3. Fidgety, fidgety fingers, go. Brill. 1 and 1. It's a picture of 1 on a 5 frame. Did you represent with one finger? Brilliant. 1 and 1. Double 1 is 2. Well remembered. You ready? Steady. Fidgety, fidgety fingers, go. Brill. What do you see? 5. This is an easy one, isn't it? 5 fingers. Fantastic, great job. Let's keep going. You ready? Good. Here we go. Ready? Steady. Go. Fidgety, fidgety fingers, go. Brilliant. 3 fingers here, 3 over there, 3 and 3, double 3, 6. Well remembered, everyone. Great work. Okay, you remember how on Monday I asked you to play it with your mummy or your daddy or your brother or your sister, putting one hand behind our back? I'd like you to play it again, okay? So grab a friend, grab your brother, grab your sister, grab your mummy, grab your daddy. Let's play Fidgety Fingers. Press pause and come back when you're ready. Okay, everybody. Right, maths today. Something new I said. We're going to be learning about one more today. A little bit easier than the doubles that we were doing yesterday and on Monday. So today's lesson is all about one more. And I thought that we could start off by singing a song, a one more, an adding song. Now, to play this game, you're going to need some things. I'm going to need you to get 5 of your toys. Maybe your soft toys, like your teddy bears. Or 5 cars. 5 anything, 5 nice big counting objects while we sing. And I want you to represent the story with your counting objects, okay? You'll recognise it. One elephant went out to play upon a spider's web one day. He had one elephant and another elephant, can you represent that with your counting objects? If we have one elephant and another elephant comes along, how many have we got? Two elephants went out to play upon a spider's web one day. They had such enormous fun, so they called for another elephant to come. Hey, elephant! Two elephants and another one comes to play. Can you show me that with your counting objects? Two elephants to start with, and another one comes along. One more. How many elephants do you see? Three elephants went out to play upon a spider's web one day. They had such enormous fun, so they called for another elephant to come. Hey, elephant! Three elephants and another one comes along. Three elephants and one more. Can you show me with your counting objects? How many elephants is that? Four elephants went out to play upon a spider's web one day. They had such enormous fun, so they called for another elephant to come. Hey, elephant! Four elephants and another elephant. Four elephants and one more. One more than four? How many elephants is that? Five elephants went out to play upon a spider's web one day. They had such enormous fun, but the spider web broke and they all fell down. The spider web broke and they all fell down. The spider web broke and they all fell down. Poor elephants. So let's have a look at one more in some different ways. I'd like to start down here with a number line. Okay, and let's just see what one more looks like when we're counting. Let's start back in our song with three elephants. So there is the numeral 3. Now what happened in the story? That's right, 3 elephants and one more came along. The number of elephants on the spider web increased by 1. 3 plus 1. Now on our number line, that looks like this. Let me draw you an arrow. We start with 3 and we add 1 more. 3 plus 1 equals 4. Adding 1 is like going to the next number. This is what it looks like on a tens frame. So there is my tens frame. Now remember, we started with 1, 2, 3 elephants. I'm using little orange pom-poms to represent the elephants in my story. Now, we all know that 3 elephants were playing on the spider web and they called for another elephant to come along. 3 elephants and 1 more equals 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's increased by 1. Now I'd like you to use your tens frame, and we're going to do some adding of 1. Here, what am I showing on my tens frame? Yeah, that's right, I'm showing 9. Can you make 9 on your tens frame? Press pause and make 9. Okay, let me see. Well done, you've made 9 too. Have you done it like me by filling the top row of 5? That's the best way to do it. And then the bottom row here has got 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And there's a gap here, isn't there? Now I'm going to change my tens frame. I wonder if you can spot what happens. Are you ready? What's changed? Yes, that's right. My tens frame over here doesn't show 9 anymore. It shows a different amount. How many does it show? It shows 10. So here is my tens frame now with 10. But before there were 9, and what did I do? That's right, I added 1 more cube. Let's have a look what that looks like on our number line. So, highlighted there is the numeral 9. That represents the 9 objects that I had on my tens frame to start with. And then I added another one. Now remember, just like our elephants, adding 1 makes the number increase by 1. And on our number line, we can see that by going to the next number along, like this. So we increase by 1, we add 1, 1 more than 9 is 10. Say it with me. 1 more than 9 is 10. So what I want to do, boys and girls, is to introduce you to your main job today. Okay, now you can see here that I've made, they don't look like the number blocks, but I've represented the blocks in the same way as the number blocks. This is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, and this is 5. Now I've used my cubes. You might not have cubes at home. If you don't have cubes, you can make your number blocks with Lego bricks or with Duplo bricks. Or you could even lay them on the floor with anything else that you like to count with. I've also got my numeral cards here. You can see them on the table. And what we're going to do is we're going to explore what is 1 more. Just like this, we're going to choose one of our numeral cards. I'm going to choose this one, numeral 3. I'm going to find my block that represents 3 and find out what is 1 more. What has 1 more block than 3? So if I start with my 3 and I look next door, can you see that this one has an extra block on top? If I squish them very close together, we can see it very clearly. So this block is 1 more than 3. And then I'd like you to say your sentence. 4 is 1 more than 3. You might even like to write that down as a calculation. So when you're playing at home, what might be nice to do is if you turn over your numeral cards so that you don't know what they say. Turn over your card. Find the matching number block. And go next door to see which one is one more. 2 is one more than 1. Okay, everybody, press pause and have a go at that activity. I hope you enjoyed that, and I hope you found lots of one more calculations using your own number blocks. Perhaps you could take a picture of what you were doing and send it to us. Okay, everyone, well done. Great job. I'll see you again tomorrow. Bye-bye.